IPSLA is one of those things where you're never going to use it all. But let's look at the types of applications of IPSLA. You can track availability. That's uptime. You can do network performance monitoring. You can do things like, recognize we're having substantial delays between here and there. You can mimic VoIP traffic to monitor quality of service metrics that are applicable to VoIP, like jitter, service level agreement, basically saying, hey, I'm guaranteed 4 nines uptime. I'm going to watch it. Network monitoring, tracking network health, multi-protocol label switching, troubleshooting. What you can measure is latency. Another one that's related is jitter, which is inter-packet latency differences. So you might have 20 milliseconds of delay on one packet and then 35 on another. That would have a jitter of 15 seconds. You want traffic to be evenly paced in terms of things like VoIP. And jitter is a big deal for VoIP traffic. Packet loss. Are we losing packets because of congestion, an unreliable interface? That sort of thing. Statistics, connectivity. Operations for us, well, what we can do is we can package up our traffic to look like traffic that we're concerned about. A lot of these are things like IP telephony types of traffic, SIP, real-time protocol, or maybe we're concerned about bridging with data link switching. I don't know how much DLSW you have going on, but what's going on here? Well, when we talk about IPSLA, we have a device that is sending out a test to, it could be just anything with an IP address, or we can have an elevated target, which is known as a responder. And the responder, if we have something with this added configuration and intelligence, we get more accurate and more detailed information. But we can just ping a server that doesn't even know we're pinging it. Okay? Now, when I see all this stuff, I want you to think you might not be able to do all of that. Let's look at our chassis. Let's do a show IP SLA application. What application will do is it says, here's what you're capable of doing. Here's what you're capable of doing. Let's look at that. So you can do things like, those are your operations. ICMP echo is really the most commonly used of the operations that are out there. Okay? ICMP echo. You can see that we're not really doing too much right now with IPSLA, but this is a good way to see, hey, I want to watch this. Am I able to look for DLSW? But data link switching is a router-based operation, and I'm not going to worry about that on my Catalyst switches. So this is very applicable. Know that command, by the way, show IPSLA applications. That shows you what you can do on your chassis.